So I am a huge rail fan, and one of my favorite places to relax and watch trains go by is up at Norden, California. There's a cliff overlooking the old Southern Pacific snow sheds up there, giving a perfect vantage point for any traffic. I've looked at maps of the area to map out viewing locations, and I've noticed something strange. This topographical map of western Nevada and northeastern California that we have on the wall at work from I believe the 1970s shows a location nearby called Lake Van Norden. Google Maps also has Lake Van Norden on the plain old map view, but when we switch to satellite imagery, there's no water there, even though the label Lake Van Norden is still there. So what gives? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nth Degree. I am your vaguely person-shaped thing M here, and behind me is a lake. Kind of. What you are looking at is the remains of the once sprawling Lake Van Norden. Lake Van Norden sat along the 65-mile-long South Yuba River. This is the Van Norden Dam, built in the 1870s to basically make Lake Van Norden. The full thing is massive. It's an earthen dam measuring over 1,600 feet. In fact, I didn't realize it at the time, but the piece of dirt that I'm standing on in this clip is part of the original earthen dam. In the mid-1910s, Pacific Gas and Electric bought the lake and expanded it to its peak of over 5,600 acre-feet of water being held in it. In the 1970s, due to safety concerns, the dam was notched, which is the part that you see here. This reduced the lake from 5,600 acres all the way down to 150. The Truckee Donner Land Trust bought the lake in 2012 to preserve it against development, but if they wanted to sell it to the Forest Service as planned, the Forest Service wouldn't take it with the lake in it, so the lake was fully drained in 2019. This is now all that remains of the once mighty Lake Van Norden. Thanks for watching.